Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 Plus, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So right here we've got the graph that will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So in my case 25 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, camera and Chrome. Of course we can tap on this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard where we can check the screen time in particular days of the week. We can compare them just by tapping on them, and here we've got three top used apps, but of course if you'd like to you can simply tap on view all, and here you've got the full list of apps that you've been using with the time you've spent on them in this specific day. Of course if you'd like to you can also tap directly on the app, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Right now we've got the daily view, and we can set weekly view just by tapping on this option at the top. And of course we can change or check specific days. We've got also notifications and apps opened. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.